cold start. Cold start at night. Let's see what it sound like. It's been sitting for a couple days. ZZP Shorty muffler / resonator. This shit is loud, man. It's so loud. But I'm gonna probably add another muffler to this setup. Let's see what it sound like. Oh my God. That shit sound like a fucking bomb. It scared me and I knew it was about to start. Oh my, that shit is so loud. She loud, she's so loud. I got the other Regal way back there. My first baby. That thing is loud. It sound like a V8, don't it? It should sound like a V8, but it's a V6. That just scared me. I was standing here. I think I woke up the neighbors. She is loud. She is loud. Calm down, baby. Calm down. It's gonna be all right. Talking to my muffler.